Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view liked videos on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your liked videos on your YouTube app, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon where it says you. At the bottom right corner where I'm tapping, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner and you'll land on this interface where you can see the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. And over here you'll be required to tap on the manage all history option available for us. You can see where I'm tapping, you can see the manage all history. Tap on it, and when you land over here on this interface, you can see currently we are on the history, but there is the controls and the interaction option available for us. Tap on the interaction option, which is at the top right corner of your screen just below your profile picture icon, and you can see the video likes and dislikes option available for us. Tap on the video likes and dislikes, and all of the video which you had liked and disliked previously on your YouTube app or your YouTube account through which you see or view your videos on YouTube. And with that being said, guys, this is how to view or see your liked videos on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.